The reason why we enter into that business. And I keep telling people that don't understand that the price of cement in Nigeria is still very cheap. Because imagine now if we had to import the cement that we are producing in Nigeria. If you have to import 1 million tons of cement a month now, you need to bring it to the ports. We don't even have the infrastructure to import 1 million tons a month every month to Nigeria. And then you have to transport it to other parts of the country. By the time you are done with that, the cement price will be over 15,000 naira per bag. So really, it has helped a great deal. And now we are investing even more because under President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's leadership, there are a lot of concessions in terms of energy, in terms of gas, waiver on all the equipment they are building for mining and also for cement industry. So that is what we are doing. We have done so much. And we will continue to do because we believe in this country. We believe in Nigeria. We know the potential is there. Everybody tells you, oh, but Nigeria is the place to be. I will continue to invest in Nigeria. More so because we have a president that is able, that is focused, and that is supportive. So we'll continue to do a lot more, much more than what we were doing before. My advice is